You hear that roaring sound? That's the wind. The camera's shaking because I'm trying to hold this door open. It's so windy. This is definitely reminds me of the 1996 blizzard. Yeah, this is bad. Alright, shutting my door. The only thing able to get out in this snow is these four-wheel drive. I hadn't seen any cars at all. Okay, I'm getting snowed on and it's cold. Anyway, just wanted to record the blizzard some more. I mean, you can see that wind. Heavy snow, blowing snow.